Hi children, this is Hira teacher. Children, this wonderful festival of Navratri has already begun with beautiful colors, and today we are going to celebrate the yellow color, which in Navratri signifies about power and brightness. And you know children, today we are going to make a beautiful yellow color pot which is called Garba pot. So children, first you will ask your mummy to draw a pot. Then with the help of sponge and yellow paint, we will paint the full pot children. So now take a sponge and dip in yellow paint and let's start painting our pot. Just like this. Very carefully children, let's dip again and paint the full pot very nicely. Yes, see how teacher is painting the pot. Very good children. And now let's keep it to dry. Wow, our pot is dried. And children, it's looking so beautiful. So let's start. So children, teacher has 2 golden ribbons, some sequins, few color paints and earbuds, and some colorful earbuds too. Children, if you don't have any decorative sequins, then you can use cutout of colorful papers just like these. Once you have all these things ready, children, tell your mama to draw 2 sleeping lines in middle of the pot like this. And then slanting lines in between just like this. Now take a Fevicol and apply it on the sleeping lines. Then take the golden ribbon and stick on both the sleeping lines. Press the golden ribbon very gently. Now again we will take the Fevicol and apply on the top of the pot. Then take some sequins and stick on it. Take another one and keep sticking them next to each other. Wow! And now let's take some more colorful sequins and stick between the triangles. Children, you can take any color and stick the sequins just like this. And a line of small sequins below the golden ribbon. Stick very carefully. Children, now we are going to stick the colorful earbuds on our pot. Teacher has shown in the image step by step how to make these colorful earbuds. So let's start sticking them too below the green color sequins. Now apply some Fevicol and stick the earbuds one by one next to each other. Great! Now all our sticking parts are complete. And it's time to do some earbud printing. So let's take a earbud and dip in blue color paint and make dots on top brim of the pot just like this. Again, dip in paint and complete the dots. Good! Children, take another earbud and dip it in orange color paint and make dots on slanting lines like this. Dip and make dots. Superb! Children, again take a earbud and now dip in red color paint and start applying near the border of the pot. Children, make the dots very carefully while doing with the earbud printing. Wow! Pot decoration for yellow color day of Navratri is done and it's looking so beautiful. Children, you can use any decorative items you have at home. Now let's keep our pot to dry. Children, now it's time to say bye. Hope you all enjoyed the pot decoration. Happy Yellow Day to all my lovely children. Enjoy the Navratri festival and be safe.